Join us at the 2014 ECI and fulfill your calling in ministry. Register today at ministeriosdeesperanza.com, October 1st and 2nd, Philadelphia.
ECI stands for the Esperanza Capacity Institute, and it's designed to be able to bring people from the church, bring people from the community, people from nonprofit organizations to come together and enter into a dialogue to receive workshops and to receive resources to help them improve the delivery of their goods.
People feel a heart for the community. They feel a heart for serving God, but they don't always know what to do with it. They don't always know how to give it shape.
So we decided to do the Esperanza Capacity Institute, where anyone who wants to come and learn about how to run a nonprofit and how to do that in conjunction with the faith community, they come here. If you're a Christian, if you're thinking, I should be doing something to change this neighborhood, and you feel that call, that tug from God and from the Holy Spirit, asking you to make a change, a positive change in your church community, around your church neighborhood, you should come to the Esperanza Capacity Institute, because that's what we do here. We share with people that come from all over the country who are doing that work. And this is a great place for you to explore that calling.
Join us at the 2014 ECI and fulfill your calling in ministry. Register today at ministeriosdeesperanza.com, October 1st and 2nd, Philadelphia.